Well, games, concerts, and other ticketed events are being canceled in record numbers right now, of course, because of the COVID-19 pandemic. Well, tonight, our I-Team looking into your rights. Consumer investigator Jason Knowles has the money-saving information.
Tens of thousands of people are holding on to tickets for events that may never happen. Other events could eventually be rescheduled. But the big question for consumers is what can be done to turn that paper back into cash. Jonathan Roth was looking forward to summer baseball. The Cubs season tickets holder paid more than $9,000 for the 2020 season, which never saw an opening day in March.
Even if they did play in June, now you have to consider everybody who's got an underlying condition. They're not able to go to that game. They're not in the same situation they were when they bought those tickets. And quite honestly, our community is not in the same situation.
Roth wants to know if the Cubs will be issuing refunds or credits. He's also getting questions from people who purchased some of his tickets.
I want the Cubs to reach out to people and offer them a refund for any tickets that they purchased for this season of baseball.
A Cubs spokesperson tells the I-Team we are planning for various timelines and operating scenarios, and that the team is working with Major League Baseball, which makes scheduling decisions and resulting ticketing policies, adding the Cubs will act quickly when they know more, and that fans should retain their game tickets and await further direction as details are finalized. MLB did not get back to the I-Team. The White Sox, in a similar holding pattern, says it's in communication with season ticket holders. The Illinois Attorney General's office tells the I-Team an event like a game or concert has to officially be canceled. Then the company, by law, must issue a refund. But if the event is rescheduled or postponed, it is up to the company. You may be told that you automatically have a ticket to the new rescheduled date.
What should they do if they don't want to reschedule?
Well, it'll depend on which ticketing company you're working with. They have set up different policies. I would certainly encourage people, if they want their money back, to ask for it back.
Consumer advocate Abe Scar from the Illinois Public Interest Research Group, or PIRG, says many people may not feel safe going to a large event, even if it's postponed to the fall. It may not work out with your schedule, or people in financial hardship may need the money.
The liquid cash now is much more valuable to you than the ticket for a concert in November.
Live Nation recently expanded its policy on rescheduled events on its website, saying you can opt for a refund within 30 days of the new show date being announced. If 60 days has passed and no new date has been announced to a postponed event, you can also qualify for a refund. Live Nation's Ticketmaster had previously noted on its website that 5,000 events have been rescheduled. However, organizers have authorized us to issue refunds to consumers who request them. You can report complaints concerning rescheduled events to the Illinois Attorney General's office. Chicago's Business Affairs and Consumer Protection Department says if you think you are entitled to a refund under your ticket's terms and conditions and you've been denied, try initiating a chargeback with your credit card company. Roth says he can take the hit as he waits on a game time decision, but he's worried about others.
And they need that money in their pockets.
You can also try to resell tickets to rescheduled events through a reputable resale service. Now, rules are constantly changing right now because of the COVID-19 pandemic, but in general, you should always closely read all policies before you buy. Jason Knowles, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.